Okay, so I was thinking about it. You can probably skip this lesson if you want, but this is probably going to be the best lesson of embedded ifs you're going to see in a while, as well as concat. So what we're going to be doing is creating kind of like barcodes, but the first digits of the barcodes are going to determine what kind of item it is. So what we're going to do is we're going to say if that cell is equal to the word t-shirt, what we're going to do if it's true is concat the text 01 plus a random number between 500 and 999. Okay, so now let's just make sure we've closed everything. Okay, so we're back to the value if true. Now we're going to tell it it's not picking up, so we need one more bracket. There we go. Now it's looking for value if false. If false, we're going to do another if. This time, so in this scenario, we've determined it's not a t-shirt. We're going to check it again, see if it is a hoodie. And then I'm just going to copy and paste this text to save us some typing time. You're going to paste it there. You're just going to change your code to 2. And then you're going to check, okay, it's picking that up as text 2. That's the bottom, that's the top. It's picking this up as the value of true if it is hoodie, which is good. That's what we want. Now we want the value of false. Now what we're going to do is we're going to copy and paste this whole thing again. Make sure we're still in the correct cell so we don't mess up. Go all the way to the end. Paste it again. And let's say this time... Okay, so we've looked for t-shirt. We've looked for hoodie. What else do we have a lot of? We have quite a few books. So let's say if it says book, we are going to give it the code of 4. And then let's just see that it is picking up. That is the value of true. And then we're going to do one more. But in this case, if there is, not any of the ones we've provided yet, we're going to do a test to make sure it's not blank so that we're not filling up empty spaces. So what we're going to use is a function called isBlank. You select what value you want to check if it's blank. Now it is saying true or false if this thing is blank, which is a logical test that you need for your if. So if it is saying it is not blank, we're going to give it the code of 5. If it is saying it's false, we're going to give it the code of waiting. And then obviously there's like 4 million things there. Let's see if that worked. So weighted jacket should have an 0504 code, right? Oh dear, our 04 code is not working. See, these are supposed to be these are supposed to be 05s instead of waiting. So what we need is not is blank. What we need is not blank. Does that work? let's see. Did it just move my code somewhere else? Is not blank. Okay, so let's see if we fill it over now. Name error. Oh dear. Okay, so let's see. It is picking up that it is not, that it is blank. Oh dear. It's picking up that it cannot use. Weighted jacket is not a t-shirt, that's fine. Weighted jacket is not a hoodie, that's fine. Weighted jacket is not a book, that's fine. And see, here we run into the error before we would add the 05. It is having an issue with the is blank thing. How do we get around this? Let's have a look, see. Let us try. We type is. What do we get? Is blank, is formula, is non-text, is numbers odd, it's omitted, is text. That sounds promising. Reason I'm including this is sometimes you literally have to look around. So then it says checks whether a value is text and returns true or false. So it is obviously going to find that as text, give it the code of 5. If it finds a blank, it's going to give it the code of waiting, right? And there we go. Let's see if we fill it in all the way. And fill it in all the way. Okay, so now our t-shirts have 01 codes, our hoodies 02, t-shirt 01, hoodie 02, weighted jacket, which was not on the list, has 05, blanket has 05, source has 05, t-shirt 01. Just want to see the books. The books have 04, so we've got all the codes there. You've learned about one hell of a embedded if, as well as using the concat function, and about finding functions as well.